This video will show you how to pair the pagers, and how to turn off the pager beep, and how to change the pager beep time. Now let's test. It's number 11. Put it back. We have to use the setup function to change the pager number. Now we cannot use. We have to disconnect and then connect the power. In 5 seconds we press this button. It will show F1. We cannot use the numbers now. We can use the plus and the minus button. We go to F2. It shows F2. We press confirm. And we can input a new number like 88. We pick up the pager. And we press confirm button. This pager number will change to 88. But we have to press it very fast. See, now it's not working. We have to put the pager back to the charger. Shows F2. We press confirm. 88. We pick up the pager. Press confirm. This pager beeps. It's successful. We can test. Go back. Number 88. Press call. Now this pager number is 88. We can change it back to number 11. Still, we cannot use this function. We'll disconnect and connect the power. We press this button fast. It shows F1. We go to F2. Press confirm. Number 11. It shows number 11. And we pick up the pager. Press confirm. This pager beeps. We can test. Number 11. Press call. See, now this pager number is number 11 again. We can turn off the pager beep. Still, we disconnect and connect the power. We press this button. So F1. We go to F4. Shows F4, we press confirm. It'll show number 0. When it shows number 0 is to turn off the pager beep. Now we pick up the pager and we press confirm. This pager beep will be turned off. We can test. Number 11. Press call. See, now this pager can only flash and shake. No beep. We can restore the pager beep. Still disconnect and connect the power. Press F1. Go to F4. F4, press confirm. We input number 3. In F4, number 3 is to restore the pager beep. Now we pick up the pager and we press confirm. This pager beeps. Now we test number 11. Press call. Now this pager can beep again. We can also change the pager beep time. We need to go to F3. Disconnect, connect, press this button. F1, F2, F3, press confirm. Now we are in F3. It will show a number. Now it's number 0. Number 0 means the pager will beep and will keep beeping and flashing when called. Now we pick up the pager and we press confirm. This pager will keep beeping and flashing when called. It will not stop itself. Also, we can change it to another beep time, like a 20. 20 means this pager will beep and flash for 20 seconds when called. We pick it up, we press confirm. Now this pager will beep and shake for 20 seconds when called. The maximum beep and shake time is 250 seconds. We can change it to 200 to 50 seconds. Also, we can change it to 20 seconds. I have 3, press confirm, 20. We pick it up, confirm. Now this pager will beep and flash for 20 seconds when called.